Hello guys, in this video we are going to install Visual Studio 2019 offline. Okay, so Visual Studio is the IDE we'll be using to write our Visual Basic application. Now the name is quite similar. Visual Studio is the IDE, the integrated development environment. Think of it as a workspace you use to develop your app, and then the Visual Basic is the language. So to install Visual Studio, let's go to our browser and then search for Visual Studio and then 2019, because we want the current one, the latest one. Now Visual Studio was released today, 2nd of April. I installed it yesterday, so I still have the preview version. If you go to our website, it's still the preview version that's still available. Don't worry, just install that one and then let's go. So if you're on Windows, you choose it. If you're on Mac, choose it, and then scroll down, and then you'll find so many editions. You have the enterprise, the professional, the community. The community is free, so we go for the community one. Okay, and you can scroll down and then see what's new in Visual Studio 2019. Okay, so we're waiting for the download to finish, and it's a small file, so you download within seconds if I'm right. Okay, so there you see it down there, and you can browse through the docs and then get more information. Okay, feel free to explore the documentation over there. It's full of rich content. Okay, so my download is ready. Let me open it up. Okay, so there it is. So I'm going to show it in a folder where I downloaded it to. So by default it went to my user account downloads folder. Now you're going to rename this file. Okay, the reason why I rename is we want the name to be much shorter, because when you're creating the offline version you have to type the name, and if you type that full name, imagine the rest are going to get people probably making a typo. So open your command prompt after renaming it. Open command prompt, and then let's get the location of the file. So right click on it and go to properties, and then in the location, copy the location that you see over there. So mine is in C users parables document. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to type cd in the command prompt, and then I'm going to paste it here. And then once I'm in the downloads folder, now I have to get a code, and the command line that how do I call it, the command I'm going to use to install the Visual Studio. So just copy it and paste. The link will be in the description, so don't worry. Now once you paste it, Visual Studio should start downloading all necessary components. There you go. So at this point, just sit down, relax, and then get yourself some coffee and probably walk around, provided you have a steady internet. Now if you don't have a steady internet, I will make a RAW version, a zip version of this Visual Studio IDE, and I'll divide it. So I'll break it into 4 parts so that you can easily download them and then extract them and then run it. Okay, so if you don't have a steady internet, I suggest you download the offline version, the compressed version I've uploaded. The link is in the description below. Okay, download the offline version and then extract it to a folder. I'll show you the folder you have to extract it. You have to extract it to your C, and in your C you have to create a new folder in the C and then name that folder VS Layout. Okay, and once you name the folder VS Layout, extract the setup. I'll give you the zip file that you've downloaded from the link below to that VS Layout folder, and then just open it, and then I'll show you some steps later on. I'll show you how to go about it. Okay, just for now, this one is for those who want to do it online. Now in the second part of the video, I'm going to show you how you're going to do this offline. And sorry for that second part of this video, I won't be talking. Okay, so just follow me as I do it. And the soundtrack I use for the video is quite good, so enjoy the soundtrack while you follow me. If you don't understand anything, if you have a problem, leave a comment